everyone and welcome to today's vlog. I thought I'd vlog this week as I've got a week off of uni and yes, I'm basically going to be productive. I'm going to the library. Why am I out of breath? Before I go to the library I'm going to the student union. I need to go to the post office and do some bits and bobs. My way back. I'm currently on campus. Today we are going to like a training thing for my new job. My hair is I'm not happy with it. I don't like it. So I'm off to the training thing I was telling you about and I'm just walking through campus and look how pretty it is. I know I've been doing a terrible job of vlogging this week, but hopefully I'll pick it up a bit better from today onwards. It's because I haven't really been doing much, and I know I was meant to vlog me studying, but I haven't been doing much of that either. So yeah, I literally have to go to the building that's furthest away from where I live. It's literally on the other side of campus, so I should stop loitering around and actually walk. So my training for my new job is done. I also took some documents to do my DBS check, so that's all good, and now I am going back home. I was going to go to the library, but nah.
Today is, I don't know what I'm deciding, peace.
So today is Thursday, and my mission for today is to A, be productive, like very productive, B, to actually vlog. It is currently like, I want to say like 8:30. Oh, it's 9:30. Okay. And I am just gonna like sit down, make a to-do list, and just like write down what I need to do today and make a plan. So I've basically spent the last 20 minutes or so planning. So yeah, I literally did this, and then I planned next week as well. I was about to take 10 minutes off before I actually started studying, but I just got an email and it says action required. So I'm gonna have to go do that before I start. So what I've been doing so far is I've been reading through my neuroscience book. I've been making like notes on the book and highlighting and underlining stuff. And what I'm going to do now is at the end of each chapter there's like a terms section, and I'm basically going to use those terms to make flashcards on Quizlet. And then there's also a section that says like review questions, so I'm literally gonna like start doing those and like writing down the question and then answering it. So it's a lot later now. I've basically been doing neuroscience all day, and I am about to go wash my hair because tomorrow I have a photo shoot, and for the first time like literally ever, I am not going to be behind the camera, I'm going to be in front. Basically, I'm the one taking photos for once. And it's actually a professional shoot, which I'm like very nervous but also very excited for, so I am getting ready to go to a photo shoot. I don't really know what to say. I'm just going to like do my hair. I washed it last night and I'm just going to straighten it. Because my plan is, if I curl it, which I prefer my hair like wavy, but if I do that then if it's damp outside or if it starts raining, it's going to go really frizzy really quickly. But if I straighten it, because my hair is more straight naturally than it is curly, it even if it rains, it tends to hold it. So I'm now on my way to the location of the shoot, which is campus. I don't know why I said it like that. I make it seem so fancy. It is freezing, like literally it's freezing. When I woke up this morning it was like -1 degrees and now it's about like 1 maybe. I've got here so quickly, like I meant to be here for 9:30 and it took me 5 minutes to get from my house to like, I'm just opposite the road that's like entrance to campus. And normally that would take like 10 minutes, but it's taken me like half the time because it's so cold and I'm like, I just want to get somewhere warm. I'm going to be super early, I'm going to be like 20 minutes early. Right, so what I was going to say is, I can't lie, I'm low-key regretting this, but like, I'm not regretting, but like, why did I sign up for this? This is so outside my comfort zone. Like, I'm normally the one behind the camera, and also look at me, like I look disgusting. I'm at the meeting point and as I said, I'm like 20 minutes early and I'm the first one here and there's no one else here, so I really love that for me. Also, I look like a rotten tomato and I've just accepted that at this point. Like, so I've just come out of the photo shoot. It was actually really good. So yeah, I won't have access to the photos until like January, which is kind of annoying, but like understandable because it's like for a campaign that the uni is doing. Yeah, it was actually really fun. I got free lunch, free drink. So like everyone else like that was taking part in the photo shoot was like so cool and like really fun and like interesting people and like very easy to get along with. That's my point. And I was like literally there like 20 minutes early, as you've already seen, and I was absolutely bricking it. But then people started turning up and it was like actually quite good. Like, I don't know, I feel like I've got like new friends, even though I probably won't ever see them again, but like, yeah, it was really fun. But yeah, I'm now on my way home. I was gonna go to the library, but guess what? I'm not gonna go. Woo! I really hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed filming and documenting my week, and yes, thank you very much for watching and staying up to now. If you have, you are truly incredible. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing if you haven't already, because that would make my absolute day. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
We live